Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. As you know, paper is very important in every office or a working place. People use paper to write letters, applications, articles, reports, and other important business documents. You can see a title picture on your screen. In this picture, there are huge amount of physical data in lockers. But you can also see that all of these files are transferring in a folder of a laptop. So this is happens in paperless office, which is today's topic. So before watching this video lesson, kindly do grab your computer books and notebooks as well for your notes. Here are the contents of today's lesson. Paperless office, requirements of paperless office, advantages, disadvantages, process of paperless office. Here we have some ways to create paperless office, conclusion, and then at the end of the lesson we have an activity. Paperless office. A paperless office is a work environment in which the use of paper is eliminated or greatly reduced. Basically, a paperless office is one where there is little or no use of paper. No such office really exists, but people think it might become possible in the future. There would be a minimal paperwork in a paperless office. This is done by converting documents and other papers into digital form. As you can see on the right side of your screen, here the physical documents and the physical files are transferring into the scanner, and then after into digital form they will be secure into servers. In paperless office, emails and scanned records are replaced all of the memos in letters. The concept of paperless office was introduced in 1980s. With a lot of features in our devices, to make or create documentation is quite easy. Here we have the requirements of paperless office. Needs. This is what we need to achieve from paperless office. We need online access, ability to share electronically. If you want to share any kind of data, you want electronically sharing. Unlimited number of documents. You want to arrange huge amount of organized data into your computer system for sharing and securing and storage. Ability to create multiple folders to organize files. तो जब आपको ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है डिफरेंट फाइल्स, तो आपको मल्टीपल फोल्डर्स मल्टीपल कैटेगरीज के लिए डिज़ाइन करनी पड़ेंगी, क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे. Unlimited users. And for all these needs, we just want OCR software, optical character recognition software, which is used to convert the images of typed, handwritten, or printed text into digital text. PDF, a portable document format, is an example of OCR software. So if you have OCR software with you, you can create and compile digital files from hard documents to the soft documents. And the next one thing you want is mobile access, from which we can easily work as paperless office. Advantages of paperless office. A paperless office seems to be a good idea because of its several advantages. These advantages allow a business to save time and money. The first one advantage is reduced costs. In a paperless office, all office files could be stored directly on the computer on a CD. A blank CD costs approximately ₹20 or can store 15,000 documents. The next one is eliminate storage space. Think of the space that this would save is a filing cabinet. Each office has rooms full of filing cabinets to store paper files. When they run out of space, they have to rent extra space. A paperless office would help businesses to save office space and rental costs. Several rooms full of office documents would be replaced by one CD rack. The next one is easier searching. Normally, employees have to wade through tons of files when they need to find a document dating back 5 years or more. However, with an electronic system, they would just have to enter the keywords such as the customer's name on a computer, and the search feature would display the related files in an instant. Therefore, instead of days and hours, the process would be completed within a few minutes. Enhance customer service. As you have all of your data into digital form, you can share it with customers fastly, which enhance your customer service. Faster data processing. In a traditional offices, forms are used for different purposes. A data entry operator reads all the paper forms and enters the data into the computer. In a paperless office, paper forms would be replaced with electronic forms. These files would be easily completed and emailed. The operator would not need to enter the entire data from paper and then process it. This would save a lot of time. The next one is saving trees. Our ecosystem is a valuable part of our life. The rate at which we have cut down trees to produce paper has damaged our ecosystem. A paperless office would solve this problem by helping to save trees. Disadvantages of paperless office. Despite having several advantages, a paperless office has some disadvantages as well. Many people think that it would be difficult for people to work in a paperless office because they have so used to working with papers. The first one disadvantage is natural affinity with paper. Many people feel they can concentrate more while reading something they can hold in their hands and then while reading something on a screen. More importantly, some types of documents, such as contracts, have to be on paper. Health issues. Looking at the screen for a longer period of time would give some of your employees an eye strain. You could stare at the screen for a very long period of time, but that will always lead to an eye strain or other health issues. So it can also damage your eyesight. It can also make your eyesight weaker. Dangerous for environment. A whole chunk of printed and paper documents will be replaced very easily. On the other hand, you will have electrical items which don't need to be disposed of in a much smarter and effective manner. Otherwise, dangerous chemicals should be sent and released to the environment and damage your health at the same time. So, be very careful when it comes to this. If you send dangerous chemicals into the environment, it could cause harm to others. High initial cost. Initial costs are the costs that would have to be paid to set up a paperless office. Even though paperless offices would save money, a lot of money would have to be invested to set up a paperless office. We have all electronics and electronic devices for paperless office. A paperless office need computers, scanners, CDs, softwares and IT staff as well, which is quite high cost. Difficulties digitizing existing documents. It is quite difficult to digitizing the documents which is already existing. Security risk and viruses. Because of all data would be stored on computers, the business would also have to ensure data protection and security. Viruses, worms, and hackers could attack the storage system and destroy or steal data. A business would have to ensure that appropriate security measures have been installed to protect or maintain the IT system. Process of paperless office. Here we have the process. The client physical document we have at the first, and then the document will be moved to the scanner on demand. Scanner scan the data and convert into digital form. Digital database will be saved into server, and server will share the document with the client through the internet. Then you have another process, get organized now. और वो किस तरह से हो सकते हैं? Just dump your paper on the fax or scanner. It all lands on our secure server, जिसमें सारे के सारे फाइल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को सेव कर लिया जाएगा. We hand read every single page, then name it, code it, indexed and stored the page for retrieval on your private web page. And then you have instant access to any page plus a system to assign tasks and track workflow. We'll move to the next one. Ways to create paperless office. With the advancement of technology, creating a paperless office is surely possible now. Here are a few ways you need to follow. A scanner helps you store all the documents into digital format. Scanner will help you to convert all of your physical files into digital files. Share the necessary documents online. Try to share important documents through online or digital mediums. Store all of your business cards by scanning. To scan all of your business cards, visiting cards, and then use them to share online. Reduce the printing of sheets in the office. Try to avoid unnecessary files and documents and just to print highly important documents. Avoid all paper format statements from banks and make use of electronic statements. Use electronic statement for your account details, which will you get from your online website of your bank. Make use of cloud apps. With the help of cloud apps like iCloud and Google Drive, you can access all of your digital storage from anywhere. There is no need of hardware or software. Simply log in and access your data. Next, conclusion. Here we have the conclusion of today's lesson, which is paperless office is more just an effective output strategy. Offices will never be completely paperless. A paperless business can enjoy many advantages in the financial climate and preserving the earth as well. As you can see, a one tree is equals to 12,000 papers. So at the end of this video lesson, you have an activity. Read page number 110, 111 and 112 from your course book. And after watching this video and reading your book, do solve your worksheet correctly and send it back to me for marking and grading. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.